So we're loaded up and ready for the storm. This is '07, which is a truck full with salt and sand mix ready to go out. All the blades are put on the other trucks ready to go. We run sanders out of here and sanders out of Richardson Road from the Swain Road 1 so we can get to the town quicker. So our preparations for the storm are all ready, and we'll just wait to see what comes and take it from there.
Well, that's good, Gary. So this truck right here is loaded with a mix of sand and salt?
Yes. Yep. And it's all set, ready to go. We have one at Richardson Road the same way. So we'll get somebody out quickly, and then we'll just drive down here, load up, and continue out.
Right. Now, you prep the roads before you bring the plows out, right? And before the snow really gets going?
Yeah. Snow is usually at 3 inches or above before we start plowing. It's all prepping and getting all the sanding done.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
All right, so you guys are ready to go. Ready for the snow.
Yep.
All right, Gary. Thank you very much.
Thank you.